Alright guys, how's it going? This is not a tutorial, but this is a fucking what the hell's going on video. So if you look at my code, it's pretty basic. I do not have I don't have an event for handling mouse events, you know, where the mouse is. So just watch this, right? So essentially what I'm trying to do is just put X just left and right, key down, right? And I'm switching it to change, you know, to a third vert, or it would be second, I guess. But so I have change X, which is empty, and then every time I press the key, I fill that with a number, and then I add that number to X. But just watch what the fuck happens. Okay, watch. So I'm gonna press to the right once, right? So that's 12. And then I'm going to move the fucking mouse up. Look it. How does that equal key down? Look it. How? How?